Okay, so on question 2, we're asked to find the actual sum of 1 3/4 plus 1 5/8 to determine how much David grew in 2 years. And we also have to explain how you know your answer is reasonable. To figure out if our answer is reasonable, we're going to round these two. They're each about 2. 1 3/4 is close to 2, and so is 1 5/8. So our answer should be a little less than 4 because we rounded up for both of those. When you actually find the answer, you're going to find a common denominator, and that is an 8. You can just go ahead and rewrite the whole numbers. Here we have 8 times 1 is 8, so 5 times 1 is 5. And over here, we have 4 times 2 is 8, so 3 times 2 is going to be 6. Now we have our two mixed numbers set up to be added with a common denominator. It's a lot better that way. When you do this, we're just going to go ahead and add the whole numbers first. 1 and 1 is 2. Our answer is still going to be an 8. And 6 plus 5 is 11. 2 and 11/8, it's the correct amount. But 11/8, you can see there is an improper fraction. So we're going to want to rewrite that. 2 and 11/8 is the same thing as 2 plus 8/8 plus 3/8. And I pulled out those 8/8 there so that we can reorganize it and regroup it into a whole number. 8/8 is the equivalent of 1. This is 2 plus 1 plus 3/8. Or for a final answer of 3 and 3/8, which is less than 4, which is what we started off looking at to determine whether or not it was reasonable. That's our answer right there for question number 2. It's 3